thing to research that week, some way to get some more money. And I research this all the time. So I try to throw out a topic, or I try to have a speaker that comes in that's going to help our lives. Today, I just want to talk about sales and then talk about the different opportunities that are out there. So I use a program called GrantWatch. Anybody familiar with GrantWatch?
We talked about it.
I talked about it? Yeah, you were there that one time I talked about it. It's basically like, I should have.
See now, Ben, if you had one of them screens out trying to get you, you can bring it up here and you can bring it on the screen, you can show
I got a
us.
TV that's almost big enough.
Yeah, but then you gotta have a computer.
I get it.
Come on now. You don't come see me today, I can't save you the money.
65 for 1,200.
I'll take a look. I'll make sure.
See now you look at that. Okay, so GrantWatch, right? So GrantWatch, what it does is a lot of times people are like, hey man, do you know about a grant that'll help me for kids, or a grant that'll help me for food, or a grant that'll help me for homelessness, right? And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put together a couple different packages. Hey, there's these grants. Are you interested in writing them for these people? She's really good people, and she does a lot of work in the very beginning for the love, if she like it.
Yeah.
So my man hooked me up with her. She's been blowing me up. She's rock solid. She's set up millions and millions of dollars for people. So that's an opportunity. I appreciate you putting me in with her.
Sure.
She's been amazing. Suzanne is her name, and she is from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Yeah, she's from Louisiana. She got cool. She cool. She don't put no raisins in her stuff. You know what I'm saying? There's no raisins in there. Hey John, you got raisins in your potato salad?
What you talking about, Willis?
Say for instance, you got employees, overhead like a building. You got all this money that you've invested. They want you to pay that money right away, or they want you to spend all your money before they'll give you the money back. Yeah, so for instance, you know, there's a couple of people who owe me a few dollars, and you gotta invoice them, and you gotta hope that they get it approved, because they have to then get the money and then go through their channels to even send it to you. So yeah, they say net 30, but it may be like you don't get it for 90 days. So you got to be prepared for that. We all like the grants that you get the money first, but now they're making it the other way around, because a lot of people haven't been good stewards with the money. They haven't been good stewards. It is what it is. I love to meet with you on days that aren't Wednesday, where I can bring in the grant writer, I can hear the pitch, and then put you in front of the person. And I can show you examples of how I done it. I'm not the guru. I don't know everything. I just know how to find the answer. So I can get you in front of, if it's a DHS thing, if it's a sales thing. Earlier we were talking about the bank. I said, how deep you want to go into it? Because I can make a phone call and I can write Rivermark. They've been here. They know me very well. They've given grant money to people we do business with. I think you were here with that one workshop, you know.
The
housing thing. I mean, you got a whole bunch of money from them. How much did they give you? Go ahead, tell me.